We were tasked with putting a new radio in this unit, and the customer wanted us to find out why his heater isn't blowing. And after a little testing, it became pretty obvious. This poor connector is pretty rotten. And, of course, the resistor pack was rotten and the fan is rotten. So, we sent those out to get some replacements, and I'm going to try cleaning this one up. Do some cleaning here. That is still pretty nasty. Well, some of it's coming off. And the pins are nice and tight, which is good. And shiny on the back side. Well, parts won't be here till tomorrow probably, so. That's all we can do for today.